from here. So for example, I will select this one here. And once you select a good one, all you have to do is click this share button and then click download. And I want you to click on this file type box here. I want you to select PDF and then click on download, and then click on this box again and download another copy in PNG format because we'll use that later. So once you download it, I want you to go back to Etsy and create an account. Now, I want you to pay close attention because the sign up process is tricky and many people do it wrong. So as you can see, if you go straight to the sign up process, Etsy will charge you 20 cents per image that you list. And that will cost you a lot of money, especially when you list 100 images, to sell. So to get started for free, all you want to do is click on the search bar here and do a search for 40 free listings. You will see all of the listings here. And if you open up one of these and scroll down a little bit, you can see here that they have this link that'll give you 40 free listings. So all that you have to do is click on that and then click on open up shop today and sign up for free. And after that, you'll be taken to this page here to create your first listing. So the first thing to do is click on this button here and upload the image that we just created earlier using Canva. Now, we have the option here to upload more images in different angles to provide different variations of our image, but that's optional and you don't have to do that. And you can also upload video if you have one. It depends on what you're doing. Now, we want to enter a title